Introducing a super rare, 1974 Volkswagen Thing. Fun classic car, partially restored 1974 VW Thing, 2110 engine, CB case, CB crank, CB044 heads, single IDF Webber 44mm carb. Run strong. No rust, been stored inside for 18 years, interior in good shape, one seat needs recovered. Body in good shape, has a few small dents. Could use new ball joints and tires. Comes with original engine case, CB performance fuel injection kit, and too many extra parts to list. Currently, the reserve price is $14,500 USD. Current mileage is 40,186. The transmission is manual. The body type is convertible. The vehicle title is clean. The engine type is a 2110 with 4 cylinders. There are no power options for this model type. This includes no power seats. It runs on gasoline fuel. The exterior color orange in this car is being sold by a private seller. The interior color is black with drive side configured for left-hand drive. Please contact the seller on eBay using the link below for further details and delivery options. Thank you for reviewing this item.